The Basilica of Our Lady of Graces is a Roman Catholic church in Sardhana, 19 kilometers northwest of Meerut, in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The Basilica of Our Lady of Graces, also known as Churches Among the Churches, is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The church is the largest in North India. The church was built by Begum Samru, a Muslim Nauj girl of 14 who married a European mercenary soldier, Walter Reinhard Somber. Samru converted to Roman Catholicism in 1781 and adopted the name Joanna Nobilis. She is regarded as the only Catholic ruler in India, and ruled the Principality of Sardhana in the 18th and 19th centuries. Begum Samru inherited the Jagir of Sardhana after her husband's death in 1778. Subsequently, she decided to construct a church at Sardhana, dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Two huge lakes near the church are the result of the mud that was removed to supply the building material for the church. A Latin inscription over the main door of the church puts its dedication in 1822. Begum Samru requested the Pope to make Sardhana an independent circumscription. In 1834, Pope Gregory XVI established the Apostolic Vicariate of Sardhana from the Apostolic Vicariate of Tibet, Hindustan, and appointed Bishop Julius Caesar Scotti as the Apostolic Vicar. The church was the Cathedral of Sardhana. However, Scotti was the only Vicar Apostolic, and eventually, the Apostolic Vicariate of Sardhana was merged into the Apostolic Vicariate of Agra. In 1955, when the then coadjutor Archbishop of Agra, Most Reverend J.B. Evangelisti, OFM, Cap, was in Italy, he had occasion to speak to the inhabitants of Leghorn, a town in the province of Tuscany. Near Leghorn, on the hill of Montenero, is the famous shrine of Our Lady of Graces. The Archbishop expressed the desire to have a copy of that miraculous image of their Madonna for his church at Sardhana. The people responded enthusiastically and got a good painter to do the job. The picture is painted on wood in well-chosen and inspiring colors. Our Lady is depicted seated, holding Jesus on her knee. With his right hand Jesus clings to his mother, while with his left he holds a string, tied to the leg of a bird, which rests on Mary's arm. The bird represents the soul. On receiving this precious gift, the Archbishop took it with him when he went for an audience with the saintly Pope Pius XII on the 25th of September, 1955. And laid before the pontiff his plan of starting a shrine in northern India. The Pope most willingly approved of the idea. He venerated the image and blessing it, expressed his conviction that the Blessed Virgin would do great things for the people of India. The Archbishop then took the sacred image to Saint Padre Pio, the stigmatist, blessed with 5 wounds similar to the wounds of our Lord, and kissed it devoutly, promising to pray to Our Lady to be generous with her children in India. 13th of December 1961, Pope John XXIII decided to upgrade the church to the status of minor basilica, a dignity that is bestowed rarely and only on churches that are both historically famous and beautiful. The church is one of 23 minor basilicas in India and is the only minor basilica in North India.